Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel RR Corporates, and we have another channel RR Legal Talks. Now we are discussing a very important topic. Buying property is often seen as a major milestone and a solid investment. But here is what many buyers don't realize: the actual cost of the property is often much higher than the price initially quoted by the developers or the seller. That is because there are several hidden costs, from taxes, government fees, legal charges to club membership, brokerage, and etc. So today we'll help you decode these hidden costs backed by laws like Transfer of Property Act 1882, Indian Stamp Act 1899, Registration Act 1908, RERA 2016, Income Tax Act, GST Act. So let's start understanding the real cost structure of buying the property. So what is the basic price of the property? The basic price is the amount quoted by the developer, usually per square foot basis. This may be based on carpet area, as per RERA, built up area, or super built up area. So carpet area includes rooms and internal walls. Super built up area includes your apartment plus shared areas like lobby, lift, clubhouse, etc. So the RERA mandates that builders advertise carpet area, not super built up area, but always double check the price calculation basis. Second thing, preferential location charges, PLC. Developers often charge PLC if your flat has a premium location. So examples like ground floor flats in Delhi, premium location they'll charge. Top floor flats in Mumbai, lake view, park facing, or east facing, or corner flats. So they will charge preferential location charges. This could add 50 rupees to 500 per square feet depending on the city. Another hidden charge, again, parking charge. Parking is not always included in the basic price. Developers may charge a lump sum or 4% to 6% of the property value. As per RERA, parking is a non-transferable right. So now you should know exactly what you are paying for. Another hidden charge, IDC, infrastructure developer charges, infrastructure development charges. So this is charged for internal infrastructure inside the society or inside the project, like roads, internal pipes, electricity lines, etc. It can be fixed amount or percentage of base cost. There is EDC, external development charge. This is collected by the developer but paid to the local municipal body. It covers like road widening, drainage, sewer lines, electric poles outside the premises. So these sewerage charges, sewer lines, drainage, road widening, electric poles. So this will be the EDC, external development charges. These charges recovered from the This charge is recovered from the buyer. Another hidden charge, Corpus fund, interest-free maintenance securities. So this is a lump sum deposit collected by the builder for future maintenance. This is not your monthly maintenance. It is a security deposit held for future maintenance obligations. Another hidden charge, power bank charges. Power backup charges for DG sets or battery backups, typically for 3 kVA to 5 kVA, collected as lump sum at position. Another hidden charge, club and amenity charges. So for access to gym, swimming pool, clubhouse, indoor games. So maybe etc. So these charges are club and amenity charges. This is also again hidden charge. And these are usually charged separately and not included in the basic price. Brokerage fee, property agent or broker is involved, then expect to pay 1% to 2% of the property value for 1 crore. This would be 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Post RERA, all brokerage must be registered with the authority. And legal fees. This is for title search, drafting the sale agreement, reviewing property approvals, conveyance deed conveyance deed preparation. So may range between 10,000 to 50,000 or more, depending on complexity. So don't skip this. Legal due diligence is a must before signing. And another charge, GST. If you are buying an under construction property, then GST is applicable. And affordable housing attracts only 1%, otherwise around 5%, 5% on property value. So no GST is levied if you are buying a ready to move property. So with a completion certificate is issued. So earlier service tax applied, free GST, but now GST. So stamp duty and registration fee. This is one of the biggest hidden cost. Stamp duty as per the Indian Stamp Act Section 3. Paid to state government, depends on state government, ranging from 5 to 10%, 5 to 10% of the property value. So it varies state to state, property type, and even gender of the buyer. So registration fee, as per Section 17 Registration Act 1908, mandatory for immovable property transfers, usually 1% of the property value. So these charges are non-negotiable and must be paid to register the sale deed. So there is no negotiation for this. So example for total cost escalation, say a flat of 2 crores, example, quoted price. So after adding GST 10 lakh, stamp duty plus registration 12 to 15 lakh, parking plus PLC plus amenities plus club plus power backup 10 to 15 lakh, legal, brokerage, corpus 5 to 7 lakh. So total cost easily becomes 2.75 to 3 crores. So that is 30 to 40% becomes increase from the basic price. So the conclusion is, so buying property is a huge financial decision. Don't just go by the pre-square feet price. So per square feet, consider all the statutory and hidden costs before finalizing the deal. Know your rights under RERA, Stamp Act, Registration Act, GST law. Always ask the developer for full cost sheet. Get legal advice before making any payment. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channels, RR Corporates, RR Legal Talks, 2 channels we have. So we'll get latest updates on property law, tax planning, compliances, secretarial matters, NCLT matters, public issues. We have 2 channels. One is RR Corporates and another is RR Legal Talks. RR Corporates, RR Legal Talks. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest updates. Thank you.